Hi, this is Jason at Sports and Toys and Comics, and today we are going to open the all-new 2023 Allen Ginter Baseball Hobby Box. Okay, so Allen Ginter this year is going to come with any three of these: an autograph, a relic card, a rip card, a printing plate, or a book card. So a lot of variety in what you can get. There's going to be, just like normal, 24 packs per box. You can see some of the stars there on the box. 8 cards in a pack, 24 packs. See that Gunnar Henderson mini autograph. All right, so Tony's gonna have some fun today and open a box for himself. We'll let you see every card that comes out of here. Maybe. Struggle to get it open. All right, we have a lot of these sold. We got multiple cases in today. They will sell fast. So let's see what the box topper is. Oh, it is the Anaheim Mountains. Oh, Angel Stadium, it actually says. Okay. All right, so the jumbo card's out of the way. There are better box toppers, just depends. 24 packs of fun here. They are on our website, sportszonetoyscomics.com. There's the Gunnar Henderson rookie. That's a good way to start. All about all the different multiple sports. Where's one of the best pitchers in baseball, Spencer Strider. We got a mini rookie. All right, so first pack. So kind of a celebrity pile, an actual baseball pile, rookies, and miniatures. Next pack up. Meek Mill, Barry Zito, throwback there. Vladdy. Mini Seattle coffee for Starbucks, I guess. Subset there. Hank, Hammer and Hank. Aaron. Okay. Strap in, because this one's going to be a while. Will Levitz and Allen Ginter, huh? So I wonder if Topps holds a license for Bryce Young and stuff if he's in this product with autographs. It's kind of anything goes. Even an owl. Oh, Falcon. Maybe he's from Atlanta. Some whacked out stuff for sure. Rafael Devers. Freddie Freeman. Oh, Michael Harris. Rookie. Ozzie Albies. Collect those Braves. The MVP is coming from there. Oh, and Anthony Richardson. That might be numbered. It's like a different background. I don't know. We'll have to check that out. Definitely cool, though. Richardson's having a good season. This counter's going to get full of cards pretty quick. There's some customers watching. They're waiting to get their own box here. Kwan, rookie from the Red Sox. Got Chris Bryant. Ooh, Big Poppy. David Ortiz. What's the black numbered, maybe? Black border? No, just a black border. Okay. Yeah, nothing numbered yet. It's just all different colors, different borders. Oh, lots of research to be doing on eBay, huh? Garrett Cole. Small rookie. McGruffin. Alec Baum. Adley Rushman rookie. There we go. There's another black border. Mini. And we did get the Adley Rushman rookie, I guess technically an Anthony Richardson rookie, and Will Levis. Vlad Guerrero, Bo Jackson, Gleyber Torres, Alex Bregman, Stan the Man Musial, Demers, and was that an Ichiro maybe mini? Yeah. Okay, lots going on here. This is only like 7 packs in. 3 hits, not 1 yet. Jazz Chisholm Jr., Zach Greinke, David Ortiz, and different David Ortiz. Because we had got one earlier. What do you got there? Clark, another Bird. We're doing a whole set of Falcons. We'd rather have Bijan Robinson, but got Diaz, Van Kirk, Shane Langerhans rookie, Larry Walker. We got Vladimir Guerrero insert, Gavin Lux, Black Border Mini. Next pack up. It's about a hit time here. Robert De Niro, Kevin Hart. Wow, Greg Maddux, George Springer. Is that Kevin Youkilis? No. Jason Varitek, all right. Off the World Series Red Sox teams. Actually, he won 2 World Series with them. Oh, we got a hit. Maybe. Andre Dawson. Nolan Arenado. Blake Snell. Ryan Mountcastle. No, it's a piece of pie. It is that's right, you saw it, a dessert subset card of apple pie. Everybody loves apple pie. Little ice cream on the side, little whipped cream on top. Got yourself something. Oh, is there a whole football subset? What? Let's just take a moment. Shoelace Robinson? Okay. Vladimir Guerrero Jr., Dale Murphy. Oh, the first one is a jersey card. Is that Michael Taylor for the Dodgers? Chris Taylor. Okay. First hit is a jersey. So 1 hit, 2 to go, and a lot of packs to go. We might have a frame something in there. This could be interesting. Albert Pujols. Just retired. Alex Rodriguez. Oh, what's it going to be? What's going to be? Whoa! Autograph! Framed autograph mini. I'm not going to pretend like I know O'Connor. What? Caroline O'Connor, President of Business Operations from what? I have no idea what. I don't know. I'm gonna call. I don't know what. Okay. So there's that. So, well, we got another hit to go. Maybe it'll be a banger. We got Ichiro Suzuki here. Austin Riley. It's great. You got a Freeman rookie. What in the world? Another hit. It's a football hit. Authentic memorabilia from Belarus. High school football player. A high school football player in the Allen Ginter product. So we got nothing of any hit of any high school football player, a business woman, and we got a Chris Taylor jersey. Maybe there's some short prints here. We got something to go here. Jackie Robinson, Ricky Henderson. Ooh, I'm still reeling. Kenny Lofton, Bucky Dent. We got, look, I mean, we got a half a box to go, so let's keep watching. I mean, something's coming. Hold time. Oh, the rookies are coming. And who's the mini there? A Merlin bird. Birds are popular this year in this set. Langs. Alrighty. And we're rolling. Oh, Michael Rappaport. C.J. Abrams, Sel Marte, Bun B. Bun B. Oh, I can't even keep up. Ricky Henderson, and a mini rookie of Drew Wade. The baseball stuff, the non-sports stuff's throwing me off. Tyler Glasnow, Randy Johnson. Oh, there's a Yoshida rookie for the Red Sox. Cruz. Ortiz rookie. Timmy Trumpet. Kevin Hart mini. We had the full-size one earlier. And a Fun in the Sun kiteboarding. Which, you know, it's popular in the Outer Banks. So we're going to have the card shop there, too, someday soon. And yeah. Wanda Franco's still made the set, huh? Yawn with her dogs. It's cool. Cal Ripken Jr. Justin Verlander. We got a mini there of Murphy and a Jose Altuve insert. He's getting a lot of inserts out of that subset. Jimmy Rollins. Anthony Volpe rookie. It's good. Mariano Rivera. Will Clark. Cool. Shane Bieber. What's this? Upside down George Brett. And another bird. We're going to do the bird subset, right? We've got to complete the Snowy Owl bird subset. Rodriguez, a rookie for the Orioles. They have like every rookie. I got Rizzo. Murphy for the Braves. Yadier Molina. Another mini. Got a rookie. Wazinski for the Cubs. And we're building sandcastles so we can kiteboard and build a sandcastle in the Outer Banks. So we're covered there. We'll pin them up to the front of the store. Mark Mulder, I haven't seen those cards in a while. Ken Griffey Jr. on the Reds. Gavin Lux. Rollin. What in the world is that? 40 season, the rarest diamond. I don't know. Check into that. Something. It's something. All right, we got a couple packs left. I also want to say just thank you so much for watching the video. Please remember to like and subscribe to the channel if you enjoy seeing all the content. You can watch for free and just enjoy and not spend $119 if you don't want to. But if you would like to, please go to our website, sportzonechoicecomics.com. Just type in Allen Ginter, take you right to the box, or I'll put a link below for the product, and you can get one. We will send it out today for you. Craig Maddox, Roberto Clemente, Corbin Carroll rookie. There it is. That's the best one you can get this year. So that's cool. And then, oh, International Delight from the Czech Republic. So that'd be cool to see all the desserts, you know, from all the countries and collect that subset. All right. So that was our 2023 Allen Ginter Hobby Box break. Thank you so much for watching. We really appreciate it. Have a nice day.